Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's take a look again on euro currency. So here is nothing significant has happened since yesterday. So yesterday we said that with the downside breakout and raising of the intraday patterns, we suggest that market actually is aiming on the next target, which is around OP. And as a result, we said that in the current situation we need to keep an eye on the pullbacks that may be formed on intraday charts and consider possible taking the short position. That's the major strategy. So currently market seems decided to stay around the COP target a bit longer, so we consider the pullback that we talked about actually stands underway. And so I'd not say that we were expecting the pullback right yesterday as we will start, but we just said that once we will see it, we could consider taking the bearish position with a possible downward continuation, because fundamentally euro currency obviously has the weaker positions compared to the United States dollar. And so that's what we have currently on the back. So on the daily chart you could see that nothing actually significant, as I said, has happened. So market still holds this reversal bar. The pullback that we see currently is not very large, so it actually stands inside of the reversal bar session. And we need to take a look what's going on the lower time frames. On the 4-hour time frame chart we have nicely looking bullish engulfing pattern. So you can see drop, fast return at back up. Market stands right now between these two levels, so probably 30% level we do not need anymore, so probably we could. And also guys, by the way, we need to adjust, so just missed this point, so we need to adjust levels a bit. And probably we do not need this 30% level anymore, so we could just take it out. So, as we said, next target that we will be, but not the target actually, the level that we decided to keep an eye on is an area around 109, because we have a confluence. It's a bit wide, but in general that might be the next destination point where market could try to reach. Correspondingly, as previously as currently, we're watching for two different patterns. The first pattern is engulfing itself. As you know, the classical approach for trading the engulfings, it's some kind of the ABCD pattern on a lower time frame, because usually when engulfing has been formed, it takes the shape of the ABCD on the lower time frame. It's at the most case 99% this is compounded retracement to leg retracement. Very rare market forms engulfing and just keep dropping, showing no reaction. Second pattern, let's take a look. If somehow by some reasons euro currency will be able to show more extended bounce, for example to the 109.30, in this case take a look. Once again we could return back to the idea of the next hand and shoulders pattern. So this usually do every time. So for example, when we traded this hand and shoulders and this hand and shoulders that has failed, recall that every time on the bottom we have minor patterns. In some cases it might be butterfly, in some cases it might be minor hand and shoulders as well. So currently mostly we have the same story. It means that, well, this hand and shoulders, it's a bit future topic, so currently we're not considering it. So let's focus on this performance. And if you take a look at the hourly chart here, once again you could see another hand and shoulders. It's a smaller scale. I do not know yet where the C point will be, but if we suggest some harmony with this, and it's supposedly will be somewhere around 108.40, 108.45, then the OP, the possible upside target, will be around 109.16, which is in general very close to confidence level, slightly above it, so somewhere in this area. And so that's the first destination point that we could keep an eye on. Correspondingly, once again, if you have the bearish view, you do nothing and wait for pullback, doing the same that we have said yesterday. It's because yesterday we are not expected actually that pullback starts immediately. If you're scalp trader and trade on longer time frames, for example an hourly chart, no problem, you could consider it possible taking the scalp long position with this pattern. So that's actually what we have, and let's see what will happen.